Hello everyone. Today we will migrate this project. I know some of you are familiar with this one. This project. This one is the project which is not replicated like this. Let me show you. The one which is not replicated, the one where you can equip, and when you shoot, it's not shooting, right? Okay, so we will migrate this project into this one. This one is replicated, and both is on GitHub, where you both can play along with these. But this one don't have an overlay system. That's what we are going to do. That's what we are going to do. So we will make the overlay system replicated. So if you don't have the link, I'll put the link in the description. Here is the project without replication, and this one is a replicated project, and this is a GitHub link where you can download this one. And here's a GitHub repository for the replicated project, and this one is not replicated. I put both link in the description so that you can download it and follow along with the tutorial of the migration. So what we are going to do is take the non-replicated project, which is the GASP-ALS, and move it to the motion matching replicated project. So we are going to go to the content folder of the GASP-ALS project, non-replicated one. We are going to right click on the overlay system here. We are going to click migrate, and after that we are going to untick audio. We are going to let me see on my audio, my other project. We are going to untick blueprint. We are going to leave the animation, untick the material, the mesh, the rig, the textures, the inputs, the level prototyping. This one we want to leave it because we want to migrate this, and we are good to go. So to migrate it, you need to wait 1 minute. We are going to this one. We want to migrate it to this one. We need to go in the project folder. We need to go into the content, and we need to select folder here, and we will apply to all, and click yes. So we wait for it to migrate. It should take some minutes. to migrate it. Depend on your system what you're using. Let's wait for it. Let's close this one for it to migrate much more quicker, because if it is open it need to reload everything. That's why it's taking lots of time. Once that's done, we are going to wait a little bit. I'll pause the video and wait. Once it's completed, I'll get back here. So it has been successfully migrated here. If you can see on the motion matching replicated project, we have the overlay system now, and for this to work we need to, let's open the ABB sandbox character here, and we need to open the blueprint of the character, and we need to wait. Yes. Okay. So let's go to the GASP-ALS project, which is not the replicated one. We need to open the character of the non-replicated project. Let's double click on the overlay graph here. Once it opens, we'll copy this, and then let's go to the motion matching replicated project here. We'll paste it here. Even if it's saying this, just click confirm for now. Once that's done, let's go to GASP non-replicated project. For the referencing, I will say replicated project and then non-replicated project, for us to move a bit more quicker on what we are doing. So on the non-replicated project, on your left in the function tab, you will see overlay and overlay category here. You click on it, you will see 5 function. Let's right click on the clear health object and click copy, and we'll go inside the replicated project. We'll paste it here on the function. You just when we copied it, we just right click on the function and then paste function. It will automatically paste the function for us. Now we click on the function that we have just pasted. Let's just rename the category to overlay for us to have a much more clearer view of what we have just copied. Now we go inside the non-replicated project. We need to copy basically all these functions inside here, and then after that, do not compile or else you will get errors, and that won't be good. Okay, so let's just copy everything first, and then we'll make the necessary changes to make everything work without having errors and all these stuff. So if you're wondering what this is my own project that I'm working on, so don't worry about that. I'm just taking reference on these to make sure that you get the best migration possible. So and then we need to go to the motion matching, the replicated project. You need to go to content, characters, UEFN mannequin, meshes, and then skeleton. Just double click on it and open it, and we'll go to the not replicated project, and then you just go to content, character, UEFN mannequin, meshes, and then skeleton. We need to copy. We need to just click on it. Click on these virtual bone here. You just just click on it, and then click again. Just copy the name. So if you look at this, you will see it is under hand, and then it moved to the other way. That means you need to let's just do it, and so that you can have a much more clear, more understanding of what we are doing. On the replicated project, you click on the right hand. You just right click on the right hand bone. You add a virtual bone. You search hand. You will see hand R. You click on it, and it will automatically do the virtual bone here for us. And we need to do this for the other hand too. Right click on the hand underscore R, and then add virtual bone, and then type hand, and then we need to attach it to the left hand. That means the left hand is attached to the right hand via a virtual bone, and the right hand is attached to the left hand via a virtual bone. It should look like this one, and then it should look like this. That means this way and this way. So for this, we can save this one, and just wait 1 minute. We need to go to here. On this one, we need to you will see socket weapon here. You need to copy selected socket, the weapon right, and then move to the replicated project, and then on the right hand we can paste the socket. We can paste the socket here, and basically you need to just copy everything that is a socket here, and then move to the replicated project again, and make sure you don't paste the right hand socket to the left hand socket. It will you will have weird result after that. just paste here. It should go here. And then on the left hand also we have sockets. You will see socket storage, and then we move to this. This tutorial might be a bit long, but don't worry if you follow, because of the migration stuff, and if you follow along, it won't be much longer. Just copy this. Paste. So we have, if you look at your replicated project now, you will see you have a socket barrel, bow, torch, and then you will see that you have on the right hand, you will see that you have a box, binocular, and weapon right. One more thing. Let me just. Okay. So we can just go to the character blueprint on the replicated project now. We need to fix some stuff. Okay, first we just go to the additive overlay graph here on your replicated project, because and we have these. We'll just unplug these for now because we don't want to use this system anymore. We can use it, but we won't use everything on it. We'll just use partial stuff on it. So for this one, it is where we open the overlay. Let's go to your non-replicated project. You will see that you will on the Q, when you press Q, the overlay selector open. We need to go click on the magnifier here. You will see overlay state switcher, which is in content, overlay system, blueprint, and UI. You will see it here. So let's go to your replicated project. Let's go to content, overlay, blueprint, UI, and you will see that we have this here, the overlay state switcher. And let's go to the character blueprint, and then you just click on the arrow here. It will you just click on it here, you just click on it, and then you go to your character, and then you press this. It will automatically put it here on your create widget. So we don't have this variable on our replicated project. Make sure it is on our replicated project. So if you right click on it, it will say create variable. You just press create variable. That will create this variable for us, and we click on the set overlay switcher. You right click on it, you create variable. So once you've done that, you will see here you have an update overlay state. You just right click on it, you press refresh node, and it should refresh it and not make any an error anymore, because we have it here, update overlay state here and update overlay state here. Also this is sound. You can put it if you want, or you can put it if you don't want. And let's just do it. Click on it and then click on button here. Wait 1 minute. It is a normal one. on our replicated project, we do this, and then we do this one. After that, let's just go to our on our replicated project. You will see clear held object. This one seems to be good. Oh wait, 1 minute. Let's go to the non-replicated project. You will see here that we have this. Let's just copy that on our non-replicated project. On your left, where these are these, you will have held object root, overlay static mesh, and then overlay skeletal mesh. Just click on the held object root, just press shift on your keyboard and then click. It will select everything here. You just right click, copy, and then on your replicated project, let's go to here. We already have this, but we won't be using this anymore. We will just right click on the mesh and then paste. That will paste everything here, but as you can see, it is not under the mesh. We need to make it under the mesh, so we'll just drag, we'll just hold the held object root and then drag it under the mesh here. And then you will see that these are not under the held object root. You need to just make it like this, so that these are under the held object root. And if you go on your viewport in your character blueprint, you will see that these have changed. We need to remake it 0. Basically, make everything 0 here that we have just copied. After that, we can you just okay. I have to compile anyway. If you get errors here, you just need to like we are not using this. Oh, wait 1 minute. Let me just see my folder project. Okay, yeah, I forget this. We need to just, this won't work. We need to switch it back to this. We need to see where this is. In an overlay state on our non-replicated project, we need this one, not the other one. So let's go to this. Okay, here we need to get this one. So in the overlay content overlay and blueprint on our replicated project, we need to change this one. We need to change this overlay state. You just click on it here and leave it as rep notified, and just change this. We need to change it to enum overlay state, not this one, but not the e overlay state, because we are using this right now. We need to change it to enum overlay state and make it an object reference. It will say change variable type. You just click on change variable type, and after that, let's just keep it this minimize here. Oh, sorry. We don't want to use object type. We need only this. You just click on it here, and then it will basically change. Now we can connect it again, and let's just click on every error that we are having, and basically we don't want to do this anymore. This is in the active overlay on our replicated project, where we already had this, but we are not using it anymore. Everything should go away. Now we need to let's just go to here on the update overlay state, and on the update overlay state we need to do a, let's go to our non-replicated project. On the character blueprint, here you will see on the update overlay state, you will see the link anim clause here, and basically we'll have this. You just click on the clear on the, we will do it like in order. On the default, which is up here, we'll want to click on the magnifying glass here. We'll have the default, and then you click on it, and sorry, let's go to on our replicated project. This one, let's go to content overlay, and then we'll all content overlay system. We will have AVP overlay default here. We'll click on it, and on the sandbox characters, and we'll put it on the first default one, and we just want to go to the non-replicated project again, just to see where these link animation blueprint are, so that we have the proper animation for everything that we are having. So we need to go to content overlay system overlay and stance. So let's go to our replicated project, and then to content content overlay system overlay and stance. So we have the masculine here, and make sure to plug it properly. So the second one is masculine here, and the second one is feminine. The second one should be feminine. Then injuries and hand tight. Injuries now we are going to do the weapon, and it is a rifle, pistol. Wait, let's go to so that we know where it is. Let's click on the magnifying glass again, and now we'll have this here. So it is in overlay and rifle. In the replicated project, you just click on overlay here, and you will have or you can do something like this. You click here, and then you will see animation, and then you'll just click here. So it we have everything here. So we'll do rifle, which is of the hand type here, and then we have pistol 1, pistol 2, pistol 1, and then we have pistol 2, and bow, torch, binocular. We have bow, torch, binocular here, and then box and barrel. Box here, box, and barrel here. So we have plugged everything now. Now we need to just Control Shift S to save everything, just in case Unreal crash. Now we need to go to the sandbox character here on our replicated project. Let's open essential value. You need to go to event graph, and you will see on the update animation, you will see a set of delta time x, and then you will see here have update essential value. You double click on it, and you will see this. So you just go inside your character on your non-replicated project. You will see this. You go to in your event graph, essential value. No, sorry. 1 minute. Let me just essential value here on our replicated project. We want to untick all these, and we want to just go to our variable here under the reference category. Just drag the sandbox character here, and drag and get overlay. Get overlay state. Just type get overlay state. You will have the replicated rep notify variable, which is in our character. You just drag and promote to variable, and let's just make this one also. Let's just make it replicated. So we'll connect this here. This one you can delete it if you want, because we will not use this anymore. we just need this one. This overlay state, make sure you change the variable type in your character, or else you won't have this, but you will have the other one which only has a default and rifle and pistol. This is a variable that we have set here. And also we need to go to basically we need to go to on our non-replicated project. We need to go to get this one here, non-replicated project. You will see that we have this, and for the replicated project, you will see if you go inside the anim graph here. Oh, 1 minute, let me just okay, you can delete everything here. You can delete all these here. These overlays that the project originally have, you can just delete this because we are not going to use this anymore. Oh, I missed something. Let's just close. Wait. Let's just close this project. You click don't save, and then we go inside our non-replicated project. We'll go to I missed to migrate something. Let's go to the non-replicated project. You go to blueprint, and then you will see this. We need to right click on this, basically this one. We need to right click on it and then asset, and then we need to migrate this animation blueprint, and this one we can just save it if you want. Just this one. We don't want these, we don't want these. So we need here we need this ABP sandbox character. We need the anim modifier. Let's just bring. Oh, I don't think we need it, but let's just migrate it anyway. We need the anim notifies, and also we need the animation, and just untick this and untick this one, untick this one, and untick level prototyping, untick this. This we have already migrated the whole folder. We only need on the blueprint ABP sandbox character, anim modifies, anim notifies, and animation. It's a whole animation project here. Just click OK. It should open your replicated project by default, or else just go to your replicated project content and then select the content folder here. You just apply and apply to all. Let's just wait for it to migrate. Because there's some stuff that we don't have on the other one. That's why we need to get this animation blueprint. I'll pause the video. Once it's migrated, I'll just come back. So it has already been migrated. Make sure that in your replicated project, in your blueprint, when you click on this, make sure it is here, the animation blueprint, and let's go to the sandbox here and anim graph. Now your animation graph should look like this and not the other one that we have. And let's go to event graph here, update essential. We need this. Remember we have save a variable. We need to resave it here. So just you will have the character reference here. Just Control C and then paste, and then get overlay state, get the overlay state here, and then drag and promote to variable, and make sure it is replicated. I don't know if it needs to be replicated, but I made it replicated anyway, just in case. And also we need to go to our character blueprint here. You will need to make sure that you have info. This one is for the overlay system, and this one is for the previous one. You choose whatever you want, but I will choose the overlay system here. And for this one, it is a 9 M9. I'll choose the overlay system again. M9, the overlay system again. These two are for the pistol, and then this one is for the rifle, and this is a bow. This is a bow. This is torch. The torch is a static mesh. I think yes, it is a static mesh. This one is for the binocular. Just put it here. And this one is for the box. Overlay system prop here, and then this one is for the barrel, and these are static mesh, and only the bow, pistol, and M4 is a skeletal mesh. You can just compile here and go to your on rep notify overlay state in your replicated project. Here you double click on this here, you just take all these and delete this, and now we'll do on rep here, we need to drag the overlay state here, and we'll do an equal enum. If it is equal to rifle, we need to put it in a branch, and here, and then we need to oh yes, we will do, because yes, let's just go to the update overlay state here. You copy for the rifle one, you just Control C, and then let's go to the unwrap notified, just paste it here on the true. Let's put it this, and we'll do 1 minute. Let me find. Okay, so we need to just we need to create a variable, and the variable will be the variable will be an instance. We need to make it a class reference, and this will name it link animation class. We'll compile this and we'll drag and set it here. We'll set it to rifle, and let's go to this one. Let's just do another one here. Let's just copy this and this, and then let's just copy this also. Let's just Control C, paste here. So we'll just on the false, we'll just put this, and let's just plug these, and find this one. So no, sorry. This one. Yes. Clear object. For this one, we'll set it to default. For this one is about we just do this. Just do this one. This one. We just copy, paste, 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 paste. For the default one, we'll just use everyday default. For the bow, we'll use the bow and make sure to put it bow here, and for this one we can set it to pistol 2 hand. Make sure to set it to pistol 2 hand, and this one will set it to pistol 1 hand, and make sure to set it to pistol 1 hand, and this one is rifle, and we set it to rifle here, and we'll go to your animation blueprint, and we'll go to event graph, and you will see update state here. We'll drag the overlay state. We'll just promote this to a variable. We'll call this one just basically like this. We'll just overlay state loss frame, and we'll do this, and then we'll connect this one here, and after that we will if you see this in my project, don't worry, because the replicated one is on my other project. This one I've just make a new one just for you to know. Yeah, basically my crouching is not replicated here, but on my real project, as you can see here, it is replicated here. This is where I am referencing basically to make this tutorial for you. So we'll just, in our replicated project, we'll just drag the sandbox character here, and we'll get mesh here, and from the mesh we will do link anim class layers here, and this one will do this, and then we'll get link animation class, the ones that we have created just recently, where we have plugged all these stuff, and basically, oh no, so yes, let's go to your anim offset here. On your replicated project, get a value, double click on it, and make sure to change this get control rotation to just drag, click on it, and then sandbox character. You will see base anim replication. Just click on this one. That will replicate our aiming. Yes, basically the aim of the rifle, and all every aiming, it will just replicate everything. Now we just save everything. I think it should work. No, wait. So let's go to yes. For me, I have done it like this. Wait one second. Okay, let's go to the I need this here, the weapon fire, or the secret one fire. This one we don't. You can just, it is only the sound. You can just plug it here. Okay, select. Let's just do it for you. For the default, we don't have. For the rifle, fire Q, pistol. queue, and then two-handed pistol fire queue again. So this one is okay, and let's just go to where we are on our additive overlay. Let's just click on the magnifying glass where it brings us to this overlay widget. We double click on it. Let's just open it. Let's go to the graph here, and on the graph here we need to event graph here. So we need to this one. We need to reconnect on the event graph. We need to connect this here, and we need to connect this one here. We need to connect this one here. So let me see here. Let me find something. Event graph here. Okay. So we can just compile and basically on my project this is working. I don't know why. Wait 1 minute. 5:35 Okay, let's just basically I have I really don't know what is happening, because if you can see on my project here, see this. This is a web notifier, and if we go to find reference, we go to this, you will see that I have it basically here. You will see that I have it here as web notifies, but I really don't know why this is not working right now. But anyway, let's just do it another way. Just disconnect this. Just disconnect it, and let's go to our additive overlay inside our character blueprint. Let's just disconnect this and disconnect this one, and this is for the opening of the overlay. Basically, let's just go to here. On this here, we'll do we'll do this, we'll do this one, we'll do this, we'll do this, and then let's use this, and then we'll do this one. So let's just put it rifle here, and then we'll put this one, it's the one here, and we'll change this to start, and this one also will change this one to start. So these are number 1 on your keyboard and number 2 on your, for this one, number 2 on your keyboard. And if we press play, just a moment for me to test something on my project. This is my main project. Just hit test to see something that this is my current working project. Oh, okay. For this one, I think it would work basically. Oh yeah, because it is not replicated. Yeah, okay. Let's wait 1 On our replicated project, let's go to testing. Make sure to set it to net mode to listen server to player, and this one by if you want, or standalone you choose. And now if we press play, this is a server here, and if we press 1, we'll have this, and everything it is replicated. We have the shooting also, and if we press 2 here, we'll have this. And let's just do one more stuff on our replicated project. If we do bow, and then for this one, if we do barrel, just an example, we'll do this, just press play. Press 1 for the bow, and for this one, the barrel. Oh, we don't have. Oh, I forget this. Let's go to on rep overlay here. On our rep overlay function here, let's go to just copy this, paste it here, and then we'll do if it's equal to barrel here. We'll just put this to none, and then put the static mesh to barrel here, and then change this to barrel here. If you want everything, basically just make sure that on your undetermined state you have the correct socket here, socket barrel, control C to copy, and then on the barrel here just paste the correct socket, and make sure that left hand is ticked here, and take touch. We just compile left hand, weapon, okay, let's just test again. You see, we have a barrel now, and this one we have a bow, and we can have a barrel too. So yeah, this one is for the overlay. I was trying, now I remember I was trying to make it to replicate it, this one, but this can be moved inside this, or we can do something like wait, let's just do something like we can create a function for state. just do something like we drag this here, we'll do the set, we'll connect it here, and then we'll connect this one here. And after that, let's just do something like this, and then on the inside the widget, we'll just drag and then pass overlay state here. And let's just do something like this. I have not done this in my project because basically this is for selecting everything. And if you are making a real game, you don't want this because you want a character to either go and then pick a weapon or have an inventory system or something like that, and this is not how you would want it to be set up. And if we go to play now, oh sorry, forgot something. Go to your character in your additive layer here, and if you need to connect, don't forget to connect this. If you connect it, just press play. It is not replicated because this one is not good. So let's just stick with this for now. And for example, if you want to, if you have a character you wanted to pick it up, like you can do something like you have a wheel, and then if you have this, and then if you have this one, and yeah, like a real wheel. And I can work on something like scrolling, like it will, each time you scroll it will change to another one. Basically you can change to anything that you want here. Oh, we don't have torch here on this here. You need to add it on your rep overlay state before you can have this. I know it is a long video, but if you want to replicate it like this, and this way it's much more easier for you because you have a bit more a bit more control over your state that you are having inside your multiplayer project, because the other one, if you look at it, you will have something like you go to your anim graph. Yeah, if you go into your motion matching replicated normal animated, you will have a lots of stuff here, which basically it would do only the rifle and pistol, and we don't want that. We only want it to be like if you go to overlay state, if you go to overlay here, and on the, if you look at, for example, barrel, on the animation blueprint, ABP overlay barrel, and if you look at this here, you can basically like just if you want another overlay state, you can just copy this, paste it in another folder, and then go inside this. You will see the pose, stand, idle, the move, the crouch, and the move also of the crouch, and you just plug it like this, and that's it. And then you can just reference it. You can just yeah you can just reference it here, and it will switch automatically for you. And for those who is using custom characters, make sure that if you're using a custom character inside this here, yeah, basically in my project I am using a custom character. Let me show you blueprint, retargeted character. Here I am using a custom character here. Basically you want to do a on this one, because this one is a parent and this one is a child. On the main CBP sandbox character, which is this one, you want to add under the mesh, you want to add another skeletal mesh. You just click on mesh here, you click skeletal mesh here, you click on it, you can rename it to whatever you want. You just put it here, and then if you are using a custom character, okay, normally you would be using a custom character in your game, but don't change this one on your retargeted character. Make sure you don't change this one, because it is referencing this animation to make your character moves. And make sure to put the held object root, which we have here under the mesh. We need to put it under the custom character here, and then after that in your custom character, sorry, yes, it needs to be like this, and then in your main parent, you need to go to attach object to hand. Make sure to change this mesh to the custom character here, and then the socket name here, and the animation curve for the bow. This is for the bow. You need to change this mesh to the custom character. I have not changed it because I'm not using a bow in my project. I don't think I will use a bow, or if I will use a bow, this is for the drag of the bow and then the shoot animation, basically. Yes, that's it. So if you have any question, let me know, or you can send me a message on Discord, or just write a comment. Sorry for the long video. It's basically a little bit hard, not that hard, but it's the steps are crucial to make everything works. And if you have a question, let me know. And don't forget this one. Don't use this. You can just use this one, or you can just write a custom like a custom event here. You just like a quick pistol. You just put it here, and this will be in your character blueprint. And if you want to access this equip pistol, like in your inventory, if you have a right click and then select pistol, there you will be calling equip pistol, and then it will equip your pistol for you. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, see you, bye.